6.36.
Alright, ready?
Two, three, and go.
Here, I came up with an idea all by myself.
9 seconds. All right, folks. So how can we do it in less time?
We're not even passing it anymore. We've stopped passing it, so we're good.
Okay, well, go. 1, 2, 3, go. Is there anything we can do to make it better? All right, how's this going to work? All right, guys, you're going to try one more time the same way, right? All right, 1, 2, 3, and go.
She's going really
They're
straight
going like
down.
this. See?
Stop.
Okay, I think. Okay, let's see that again. All right, so it's at the beginning of time. Let's try that one more time. Yeah, make sure he's touching the balls, okay? You can't even time it. It's great.
Juan, ¿qué es lo que?